Hi everybody, Rose here. Thanks for joining me. So I just have two minis. Still doing the minis for the random acts of art. And I saw my friend Cindy do these. So I want to give it a try. So this is just white. So we're having fun leaving these random pieces out for people. It's a fun thing to do. And I'm having fun with these minis. Alright, so I got that covered. So I'm going to do a puddle. So this one I'm going to do. This gold is a mix of 24 karat and golden fluid, if I can get it. I just want a little, I don't want a ton of gold. And then this is Amsterdam white, one part Amsterdam white, 2 parts American Floetrol, and 3 drops of Min Wax stain conditioner, and that's going to be supposed to be like a activator. So, and then I'm going to do similar on this side. And then this. Okay. So now I'm going to blow it out with a straw because I don't have one of those mini things here. So you might see the back of my head. We'll see. Need my glasses. Glasses help. Okay. So I'm just gonna let that settle a bit. Do this one. It does seem to be working. it a bit. don't think you need much of the white with the Minwax. Alright. I'll bring you up for a close-up, but that's kind of cool. So, look on the Random Acts of Painting Posse Art Facebook page. There'll be clues on where you can find this. And I'll bring you in closer. Peace, everyone. Alright, here it is wet. A little close up. And that one as well. So, keep your eyes open.